Thanks for watching our channel, and on this video I want to share with you some small procedures that you might never pay attention, but as you remember, in the restoration we do hundreds, thousands times. That's why it's always good if you eliminate some labor-intensive process in our business. And one of them I want to share with you. It's a very simple to glue the piece of felt on a stop rail, damper stop rail, like this one. And of course it's always, you need some space, it's uncomfortable, it's not easy to apply the glue. I mean, just you have to clamp it somehow when you work. In this case, I designed this. You see, it's a rail with 3 clamps here that I can tighten it, and now it's in a firm position. Of course, you can apply the glue like this. Unfortunately, your hand is not so steady. That's why I made this cartridge. You see, it goes firmly, and we apply our can here, and by squeezing it, we just apply the glue. Let me show you how to here, and you see the glue goes, I just squeeze it. I squeeze it like that, and the glue goes all the way. And even if I move my body, it's not affected. I just, through all this length of this very, very narrow stop rail, I can apply the glue. You see? It's of course, it's just like not a big deal, but everything that we do on the piano, we just try to make it efficient. And of course, you can use the brush, but it's easy to make it like this with your finger, like that, because it's already just like set very nicely. And you might wait a couple seconds, it's up to you, like that. Wait till it's a little bit thicker. And then you take our roll of this felt, like that. Yes, it might be sitting on the table, it's up to you how you want to do it. And then you just apply it like this. Since it's a steady position of your rail, that's why you can work comfortable. Yes. Like this. Take your time, always take your time, because this is very important to make it nice, like that. Just want to show you all the way through. And of course, after you finish with this first, be sure that it's evenly everywhere. Just like check it with your fingers. Our fingers, very sensitive, and we can notice any imperfection, like that. And just wait a couple minutes, and when the glue dry, you can cut the excess later on. Maybe put it a little bit just from the top. Yeah, this is a very important part. Believe me, it's all very important to make it good. Yeah, that's very easy to do. And, if somebody makes like this, you will see it's get a really comfortable process of gluing like this. Maybe you can use it for some other stuff too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.